In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an assignment on Google Classroom. This useful platform has streamlined the process of digital learning, making it easier for students and teachers to connect, share assignments, and track progress. Whether you're a student submitting an assignment or a teacher assigning one, Google Classroom simplifies this process. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to google.com. This is where our journey begins by accessing Google's homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with your classroom. After selecting your account, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, security is key, so make sure your password is strong and only you know it. Following the input of your password, click on Next to proceed. Now here's where we dive into the heart of Google's suite of apps. Click on the Google Apps menu, also located at the top right corner of the screen. It's symbolized by a grid of dots. Explore this menu until you find Google Classroom. Clicking on it will take you directly into your virtual classroom environment, where learning and teaching come alive digitally. Once you're in Google Classroom, it's time to find your specific class. You might be enrolled in or teaching multiple classes, so make sure to select the correct one. Within your classroom, you'll see different tabs. For our purposes, we're interested in the Classwork tab. Click on it to proceed to the next step. In the Classwork section, you'll see an option to create new content. Look for and click on the Create button. This is where the magic of assigning or submitting work happens. After clicking Create, you'll then click on Assignment. This brings up a new screen where you can begin crafting whatever work needs to be done. Now comes the part where you give your assignment a title. This should be something concise yet descriptive enough so everyone can easily understand what the assignment is about at a glance. After you've nailed down a title, move on to providing detailed instructions for your assignment. This is crucial as clear instructions can prevent confusion and ensure that the assignment is completed as expected. Once you've got your title and instructions set, you're almost at the finish line. The last step in this process is to click on Assign. This final click is the digital equivalent of handing out assignments to the class, or, if you're a student, the action of turning in your completed work. Throughout this process, remember to be clear and detailed in your instructions. As a teacher, providing clear guidelines can drastically improve the quality of submissions you receive. As a student, ensuring you understand the assignment fully can make the difference between a good grade and a great one. Moreover, Google Classroom allows for interaction. Don't hesitate to ask questions or provide feedback through the platform's built-in communication features. This can add valuable clarity and enhance the learning experience. There you have it. You've just walked through the steps of uploading an assignment on Google Classroom. Whether you're teaching a class or turning in your homework, these steps are designed to make your digital classroom experience smoother and more efficient. Google Classroom is a powerful tool for education, enabling both teachers and students to stay connected and engaged, no matter where they are. So go ahead and give it a try, and don't forget to make the most out of this fantastic educational resource. Remember, the key to success in a digital classroom is communication and clarity, so keep the lines open and happy learning.